Scan your project for non-standard text and dimension styles. An excessive amount of non-standard text definitions is a symptom of imported and exploded AutoCAD files, or the result of copying and pasting text objects from different projects with the same name but different parameter values. A quick scan of the text styles used in this model demonstrates how out of control this has become. These duplicate versions of the arial style, for example, need to be removed. Use Ideate Explorer to select any of the non-standard text styles and swap them out for approved styles. You can even use Ideate Query to check for dimensions that may have been overridden. If this is not an acceptable practice for your firm, you can use Ideate Query to find the overridden dimension and set it back to the correct display. For more information on all of our Revit-based applications, including trial downloads, software updates, product help, and blog posts, be sure to visit our website at www.ideatesoftware.com. Additionally, be sure to follow us on all of our social media channels as we continue to publish helpful information on all of our products. From the entire Ideate software team, thank you so much for reviewing this video.